567. This lady says her boyfriend is supposed to be bringing a tow truck. He hasn't left yet to get an ETA, or else I'm going to have a tow come and get it.
Give me her name and his name.